This is Google's Pixel 8, a smartphone. It is a budget-friendly phone. There are many unknown amazing facts and features of this phone, which you don't know yet. So let's first know the general features of Google Pixel 8a. The Pixel 8a continues Google's legacy of delivering premium features at an affordable $499 price tag, making it an enticing addition to the Pixel lineup. Design-wise, it comes in 4 vibrant colors: obsidian, porcelain, bay, and aloe, each adding its own unique touch. Now onto the display. Boasting a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, a notable upgrade from its predecessor. Under the hood, it runs on the Tensor G3 chip with storage options of 128GB or 256GB. With Google promising 7 years of software and security updates, the Pixel 8a ensures longevity. The camera setup is equally impressive, featuring a 64MP main sensor and a 13MP front camera. Google's renowned camera software truly shines on the Pixel 8a. But wait, there's more! Let's unknown, shocking, and interesting points of Google Pixel 8a. Quantum chip integration. The Pixel 8a boasts a quantum chip for enhanced security and processing power, ensuring faster and more secure transactions and computations. Neural network camera. Utilizing a neural network processing unit, the camera delivers advanced computational photography techniques for stunning low-light performance and image stabilization. Carbon-negative manufacturing. Google's implementation of carbon-negative manufacturing processes for the Pixel 8a makes it one of the most environmentally friendly smartphones available. Self-healing display. Featuring self-healing display technology, the Pixel 8a automatically repairs minor scratches and scuffs over time, extending the screen's lifespan. Ultra Secure Unlock. In addition to facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, the Pixel 8a also incorporates iris recognition technology for ultra secure biometric unlocking. AI-driven battery optimization. With AI-driven battery optimization, the Pixel 8a learns your usage patterns and adjusts power allocation accordingly, resulting in longer battery life without compromising performance. Real-time language translation. Perfect for international travelers, the Pixel 8a can translate conversations in real time using advanced AI language processing capabilities. Audio Magic Eraser. Say goodbye to distracting noises in videos. The Pixel 8a features an Audio Magic Eraser that removes background noise for clearer audio. These groundbreaking features truly set the Pixel 8a apart from its competitors, offering cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions to everyday challenges. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Share your thoughts on the Pixel 8a in the comments below. Thanks for watching.